What's up, YouTube? Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Crypto Rodrigo, and I'm here to explain another video about cryptocurrencies and news that have been happening in the past days. The first news that we're going to address is the scam of BitConnect. I personally never recommend this place because the reason I didn't is because the platform and the way these BitConnect work about referrals and having like a pyramid of referrals. If you were at the top, the people at the bottom, you will get money from them. Because of that, I never thought it was a good idea, and it just sounds too good to be true. And because of that, so many YouTubers were talking about it. Crypto Nick was one of them, and I personally followed Crypto Nick, and I think it's not very nice or very smart to get money out of other people, and because of that, I personally I'm going to start unfollowing this guy, as we can see right here. Because of that, another person that always, and I have so much respect for these people, was Ryan. He was always putting videos about crypto BitConnect and how it was one of the biggest platforms that you were gonna make a lot of money. um, and he just released a video about how he lost $125,000 in a day. I feel a lot of people believe in them. And the first thing that I want to say before we move on is that um, none of these people are financial advisors. And I recommend you guys to do your research before you put any money into cryptocurrency. I have 10 years of experience, and I've seen penny stocks that tell people that they're gonna have so much return, and at the end of the day, pretty much they just take your money. This is pretty much what happened with BitConnect. And Ryan, I feel he believed in BitConnect, and he believed it so much, and he thought he was making so much money that he got too greedy. And the problem is, like, you don't want to be so greedy. And when videos and programs and companies like BitConnect offer so much in return. I believe they were having like 1% in return per month. Is very you know, there's some red flags that you guys need to start thinking about it. And before we move forward, I want to say something that I'm not a financial advisor. And before, you know, this is what I think is good. But I always recommend you guys to do your own research, and you always invest on your own risk. I have invested, like I said, 10 years in the stock market, and the first thing that every financial person tells me is that they're not allowed to give like financial advice. That everything that they say is just, you know, to not take it. If you guys don't believe it, but for me, like, I'm here just to show what I'm doing and how I'm some of the things are making money. But always, guys, remember, do not get fooled by people like Ryan or Crypto Nick or uh, Tanner J. Fox. That no, sorry, not Tanner. Trevon James. These people just constantly were talking about Big Connect, and that's for me just raised a red flag, and it's so sad, to be honest, because a lot of people lost a lot of money. But I'm happy that this platform is not there anymore to take money. I mean, if we see this, guys, if you go to see like this video and see this guy, like, we can tell this is a big joke. Like, just looking at one of the founders or people that invest there, you know, personally, this is a big joke for me. I saw this, and you know, so many people were talking about it, and I say, you know what, screw this is a big scam. But let's move forward, because a lot of things been happening, not just this BitConnect scam that a lot of people lost money. For those that you guys don't know, so BitConnect was a lending platform that people were would lend their Bitcoin, and they would get 1% per day, or 0.5% per day, and they were getting returned the Bitcoin at the end of the day. So it was kind of like you were like lending your money, giving it to them. And what happened? This platform is no longer available, and they give their money back in their really bad coin. If we can see right here, um, they paid everyone they have their own coin, BitConnect, and as you can see, this used to be 350. Actually, went out all the way to 422, and then just yesterday, it lost like 90% of the value. So please, 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 I highly, highly recommend you guys cryptocurrency. There's so many people that are trying to fool you. Always do your research. Always invest on your own risk. Do not listen. This is just what I do. I want to show you guys and educate you guys. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. I have experience trading the stock market, but I am fairly new in the cryptocurrency. But that's enough for this BitConnect. Another thing that has been happening is the cryptocurrency that in the past days, um, it's been going down. If we see right here, some people were saying cryptocurrency crash, and I haven't sold any of my coins. The reason why is because I'm the type of person that I'm a long time investor. So for example, right here was $832 billion in January 7, and then just went from $700 billion all the way down to $432 billion. So just right there is a $300 billion loss. But I mean, it's going back up again. A lot of people that are beginners in cryptocurrency or beginners ever in trading, they they sold their coins. As you can see, I'm still holding the same coins. I haven't sold one coin. Did I lose a little bit money? Yes. But guess what? Everything's going back up again. For example, my Tron, it went all the way to 4 cents, and now it's 50% up today. Litecoin went all the way to 150. Ethereum went to 800. Ripple to 90 cents. Cardano to 55 cents. So everything was going down. But if you guys learn anything, is that you guys need to understand that if you're gonna invest in these companies, try to not be too greedy. So if you double, triple, maybe quadruple your money, maybe take it out. Take those earnings, maybe put it towards like real estate or bonds or the stock market that is more safe. But one of the problems that I see a lot of people making a lot of mistake is buying at the highest. For example, Tron. Let's go to the charts of Tron. See if we can find Tron, TRX, BTC. As we can see, Tron, the highest, it went all the way to $3, and it's just been going down, down, down. But a lot of people just freak out here, like at these levels. At these levels, if you're already not making money, you're already losing money. But there's always these corrections that it happens. Like for example, right here, it went all the way up, then went down, then it went up, then went down. This is normally in the stock market or cryptocurrency, that it gets to the highest and goes down, gets to the highest, goes down. And another thing is, this is like very much psychology. If, for example, China said that they were going to look at their plan and maybe ban cryptocurrency, then what happened? It went down. Now, for example, Alibaba said that they're going to have their own mining platform, and what happened? Went up. So it's a roller coaster. I've been telling people another thing. Follow my Twitter. I'm very active here, and so you can say like, this is what I said January 16 when everything was at the lowest of the lowest. And I said cryptocurrency, for those people that have never traded cryptocurrency or the stock market, let me put it in simple words. Cryptocurrency is like a roller coaster. Just hang tight, buy low, and sell high. That's my strategy, and that's a strategy that everyone should be looking for. Always buy low and always buy high. I'm gonna see the market. And I'm looking to add more, maybe buy another 1,000 coins of Cardano. I really like these numbers right here. If we can see Cardano, 88 to Bitcoin. You see, already broke the. You already went back to the support levels. Um, it would have been so nice to buy in the dip, but already went up. So I'm gonna see what else Cardano is doing. As for now, if we see the 5 minutes, it went down a little bit, then it's going down. It went up and down. So at this level, is holding some support. I'm going to put a reminder that if it keeps going up or down to tell me. Right now, I'm not going to buy at these levels. I'm gonna wait to go again down and then maybe go in. But remember this, guys. Cryptocurrency is a roller coaster. It always goes up, always goes down. You have to do your own research. Don't buy in the hype. Buy when people are panicking. That's when you buy. When it goes these levels right here, you go in. Um, that's why I've been holding my coins. I haven't sold anything because I'm putting money that I'm willing to lose or I'm willing to make money. If this money tomorrow, this was like $2,000 that I invested here. If tomorrow this money is not here, I still have other um, incomes that this is not gonna affect me. But if this one goes to $1, like I said, this is gonna be $11,000, which I think Trump can do it. It's gonna take a long time, but that's fine with me because I'm a long time investor. But that's it for today, guys. Just remember, be smart. Always invest in your own risk. Do your own research. Don't get fooled by other people telling you where to invest. And just remember, follow me in my social medias, and don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep making these videos and I can entertain you guys. But as for now, that's it. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Peace.